Okay, here we are, another vlog. We are headed out to the practice track today. We haven't rode since the Redbud National, so it's been about 2 weeks here since we've rode, but that'll be okay. I did crash yesterday in the yard like a dickhead. I was shaking down the bike. We changed the oil, and like I said, I haven't really rode in 2 weeks, so I just wanted to make sure everything was good. Was kind of doing a big sweeping corner and shifted second. Apparently the grass was still wet, and I yeah, slid out low side. It was great. I've got grass rash on my arm and my hip hurts, so whatever. We're gonna get loaded up. Like I said, we're headed to Zeigler, and we'll get some riding in for today. Another moto vlog. Well, actually, I think if you ride right up here, like around these trees, I think then you'll be okay. All right, so we made it. We're out here at the track. Boom, boom, over there in the background. Kind of parked in the shade because our Easy Up broke last weekend. Kiddo, are you excited?
I'm excited to ride my motorcycle.
All right, well, let's get unloaded here then and get you riding. Okay, we're all unloaded here. There's not very many people here. It's a beautiful fall day out here in Michigan. Kiddo's riding her bike. Thumbs up? Okay, great. Yeah, all right, there we go. About to go out for the first moto here. Just be a little practice moto, and we'll cruise around a little bit and see how the track is and dial in the GoPro and be good to go. So we'll talk after we get done. All right, so we did the first session. Went okay. I mean, just a little, oh, that was a weird reflection on the screen. Just a little warm up. The track's really chunky. The base out here is clay, so it's real chunky. It's a little damp, and yeah, basically not the best. Hopefully we start getting some lines formed in here for session number 2. So that by session 3 we can actually have a pretty decent one. So go out, do another 4 or 5 laps, bring her on in, and call it a day here. So. pretty good. It's getting a lot better. Got some freshies for session 3 here. Alright, so I'm all done.
I'm not doing that.
No, we're not doing that. Alright, so we're all done riding for the day here. Max decided to once again show up very, very late, so we're going to go see if his bike makes it more than a lap. This will be the last time I ride C practice here. I went out way after everyone else and still was going by people, as you saw and can see in the video. There will be a separate video, so make sure to check it out. I've rode this track enough. I know how to get around it, even when I'm not in great shape and not the best of my ability. So, C practice is going back out. We, however, like I said, have completed our 3 motos already. So we're just going to see how Max does for a couple laps, and then we're done for the day. So a little bit of Max footage, and then that's it for the video. Did you have fun today riding your bike on the track?
Maybe, I don't know.
You don't know? She rode on the mini track for 1 lap with her little razor and made it all the way around, so then biffed it in the dirt here, so that was kind of funny. But it's time for a P-dub, I think. So anyway, let's see how Max does. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next moto vlog.